Guys, it's Mrs. Zach. I'm going to show you how to make a business card. So open up your business card folder within your Photoshop folder, and there are instructions. I supplied you with a logo. I supplied you with a tutorial that's written step by step, and I gave you the submission area. So first, let's download the logo. Normally, you would make your own logo, but we don't really have time. I just want to show you how to make a business card. I'm going to right-click, Save Image As, and put it on my desktop so I can find it. Go to Photoshop. I'm going to do File New, and the size of a business card is 3.5, height is 2. I'm sure it's inches to create. It's a little small, but it is set to the right size, but you can do Control Plus to see it larger. And now you need to open your logo. New file open. I saved it to my desktop. Here it is. Open. I'm going to, just like in when we combined photos, I'm going to grab the marquee selection tool and select it. Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Definitely too big. Make sure this is checked in so you have boxes. Hold shift. Don't forget to hold shift. Drag the corner. Dragging it until you like it. I'm thinking upper left corner. Maybe over there. Okay, right there. Hit enter to accept. It's blurry because I have this business card enlarged more than what the business card is supposed to be. I just take it down. That is the size. But like I said, we're working in zoomed in, so you're going to see the pixels a little bit blurry. Because the business card is not actually this big. But we like to work big when we're working. I'm going to decorate it a little bit. I'm going to put a box of color, I think at the bottom here. And yeah, I like that dark blue. I was going to say I was going to maybe take this blue exactly, but I thought that's too repetitive. Take a version of that blue and make it darker, put it at the bottom. Okay. Next thing, I would take the text tool. I'll use black for this. So here's the colors up here for text, not here. So go up here, and then I'm going to pick black, and I'll put my name. Definitely don't want that type of font. So I'm going to go over here, let it load. I'll just stick with something a little bit more plain. Arial. Again, it's blurry because I have it enlarged. When it went to print, it would be crisp, more crisp. So, and if you want to see it how it would look not blurry, you have to take it down. I want to work with right now. So I'm there, and I think I'm going to also put a fake phone number 000.000. Number that can be right here. I'll have it a fake website next. Definitely want contrast. That'd be www.fakewebsite.com. Double click on it to select it. Go up here, click a lighter color, probably white. Contrast. Right in the middle. Let's put my title on a teacher. That'll be my teacher. Look, I'm still typing in white. I'm gonna double click. That's black. Underneath. I think I want the word teacher larger than my name. Go over here to layers, double click on the letter T, it will select it for me. I can go back up here, size, I can get italics. Italics might look good. Go back to where my name is because I think I'm going to make that bigger. 9.5 is way too small. Bring it up to 12. Line it up. See the lines? Line them up. Good. Okay, so you can put some services, you can put some more words. That's it. File, save as, business card, save, upload it to Schoology, and that's it. Good luck.